Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloons TD on Mac. To begin, you will primarily use the Steam platform, which is the official and most supported method for Mac users. This ensures you receive all updates and have a stable gaming experience. Before diving in, it is always a good idea to quickly check your Mac's specifications against the game's requirements to guarantee smooth gameplay. Once you have decided to play, the first step is to download and install the Steam client on your Mac. This application is free and serves as your gateway to thousands of games. After installing Steam, navigate to its store, search for Bloons TD, and complete your purchase. The game will then appear in your Steam library, ready for installation. Simply click Install and wait for the download to finish. For the best experience, your Mac should ideally have at least 4 GB of RAM and a processor of 1.5 GHz or better. Also, ensure you have at least 2 GB of free storage space available for the game and its updates. To maximize performance, close any unnecessary applications running in the background before launching Bloons TD. You can also adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality if you experience any lag. While Steam is highly recommended, some players explore cloud gaming services that stream the game to your Mac, bypassing local installation. However, always exercise extreme caution with unofficial downloads or cracked versions, as these can introduce malware or other security vulnerabilities to your computer. For a reliable, secure, and fully supported experience with all game updates and features, Steam is undoubtedly the superior choice for Mac users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.